It's what's inside that counts, right? Meh, not always. You've ripped up carpet, you've painted rooms, added a soaker tub, installed new cabinets, and even staged. So why didn't that couple make an offer? Well, here are 3 tips that might surprise you in helping you in selling your home. Justin.Adams, a real estate agent serving the amazing people of the greater Orlando area. And today I'm excited to talk to you about 3 landscaping tips to help sell your home. Unfortunately, interior decorating and remodeling in some cases might not be enough to sell your home fast. And it could have something to do with the fact that outside your home is covered in daylilies and crabgrass. Top that off with a few overgrown hedges and some neglected mulch beds, and you have a big problem. The truth is, landscaping your property is essential to selling it for maximum value. Here's a way to look at it. When you walk into a hotel, you might not ever recall the trees outside or the flowers planted around the property, but you simply see a put-together space that welcomes you in. Things don't have to be magnificent. They just have to be well kept. But when landscaping is not done properly or maintained, it can make a place look downright shabby. Ideally, the time to get started cleaning up your yard is about a month before you plan on putting your house on the market. So here are 3 quick landscaping tips for your home. Number 1, check the trees. Tree limbs that have overgrown may pose a structural threat to your home, and also might interrupt the view from the road and interfere with curb appeal. Plus, a note to keep in mind is to remove any dead trees on the property for safety reasons, especially here in Florida. Number 2, mulch the beds. You should also make sure that mulched beds look clean and tidy and support a variety of growing environments for many plants. Another one of my best tips is that good mulch also keeps weeds away. When mulching, choose a black or red variety for maximum contrast against your flowers and foliage. Number 3, trim the hedges. Lastly, make sure that your hedges look orderly and weed the property so it doesn't look neglected. Varieties like boxwoods and holly need to trim about twice a year. In my experience, landscaping is one of the best ways that sellers can update their curb appeal. It's also something that most people can do themselves. Updating your home's landscaping increases the value of your home and helps sell it quicker, which we know is very important. Even if you just spend a Saturday afternoon during yard work, it can make a world of difference in how your home shows. Or even if you'd like to hire someone, feel free to reach out to me as I can give you the best recommendations on the best landscapers in the greater Orlando area. If you have any questions about anything I covered today, or if you're thinking about making a move, feel free to message me here or text me at the phone number listed here below. No sales tactics, no sales pressure, just the help and guidance that you need. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.